with a beat up old fender, nicknamed the Great Pretender. He's packing up all of his gear. He says, treat him right, my boy, and always play them sad songs, make him cry and they'll buy the beer. He got an accidental two-tone of the songs out the window, cutting heads on Saturday night. Sunday's gonna be rough, and it's back to work on Monday, living this old honky-tonk life. Big John's at the bar, talking about them days of old 99 with Evans Way. The roadie's in the back, talking to some girl, looking for a kiss, but he'll settle for a twirl. He got an accidental two-tone of the songs out the window, cutting heads on Saturday night. Sunday's gonna be rough, and it's back to work on Monday, living this old honky-tonk life. Songs you can't remember, 3 kids come September, hoping one of these songs will catch on. One day you'll settle down, stare at that old Chevy, but until then he's gotta move on. He drops an accidental two-tone, loses songs out the window, cutting heads on Saturday night. Sunday's gonna be rough, and he's back to work on Monday, living this old honky-tonk life. Yeah, living this old honky